Amazon, what's going on? I am here. I just got the EUHOMY. It is an ice maker that happens it makes ice in 6 minutes. And I thought, you know what? These reviews are so amazing. I got to add it to my cart and give it a try. And y'all, I'm just saying, based on the reviews alone, I would add it to your cart, give it a try because, shoo, there it is. This is the power of prep before. I didn't fully unbox it. So you got a nice little handle. And then you've got, obviously, this is where the bulk of the action is. It's the ice maker itself. So this comes really nice and packaged well. This is great. Obviously, you got your power and all that sort of stuff. Keep all this centralized. And then obviously you've got the manual and all that sort of stuff. But really, it should just be you plug this in and you put the water and it's going to start making some stuff. So y'all, this is like a really, really simple. Obviously, you can see here, you could put your little buoys on this side and then on that. And then it should just be able to move. Yeah, perfect. It's great. It's where you can lift it up. It's great. I didn't even feel like I pushed it in that hard, and now I can lift it to move everywhere. So as you guys can see, we've got on and off, and then you've got ice. It kind of is pretty self-explanatory. It'll give you, ice is full, so you don't need to add any more water. And then if you need to add water, and then as we open this puppy up, you've got your actual scooper, and then you've got your ice little holder guy, and then the ice is gonna come from down here. So a lot of this stuff is already nice and taped, so you're gonna wanna make sure that you go in, get all this tape removed and all that sort of stuff. But then, really, it's just as simple as adding water. Now, the thing that I need to figure out is where we add the water to. So, unfortunately, even though I'm a guy, I will have to use the user manual for that one, but that's gonna be a whole separate video. Really, I just wanted to show you guys exactly what this thing looks like once you get it delivered to you. So I think packaging overall is really great. This thing came in one piece, like really easily. I love that they've got everything just kind of like safety taped together just so that you can make sure that it's all in one piece. And then I think that this thing, from the reviews that I was seeing, y'all, this thing makes ice super fast and it's super quiet. So it's not like this really loud ice maker, and it's just gonna work for you. And it does like the kind of like the bullet shells sort of thing, sort of ice cubes where it's like a circle and it's got a hole through it. It's pretty cool looking. So it's great ice, pretty cool. I think you could do like some crazy, I've seen some people do some crazy colored ice cubes. You can have some good fun with this. So anyways, hopefully this video is helpful just to show you guys exactly what you get when you order this thing in the mail. Also, this power cable seems pretty long to me. Seems great. It would be like I could take this and extend it all the way down to where you can set it on the counter, and it'll work pretty well. So anyways, I think overall this thing is definitely, I'm really excited about it. I think a true test will be when I fire this thing up and we can do a little test to see how long it takes to make the ice cubes. But overall, really happy with how this came in the mail. I think the packaging was really great, super easy. This thing already feels like a hunk anyway, so it looks great. So anyways, hopefully this video is helpful for you guys in looking at your Amazon. Potentially, I think y'all should add this to your cart, give it a try. I've seen positive reviews and I'm super excited to get this thing started. So hopefully that was helpful and have a great day with your Amazon shopping.